Hi there.
Okay, so today we're going to unbox this Amazon Echo Dot. It works with different skills actually that it possesses. The skills are, let me read it out to you. The Amazon Prime Music, Savan, Zomato, Ola, NDTV, GoBibo, ESPN, Cricinfo, Ganesha Speaks, Philips Hue, Syska LED, and more. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the Alexa voice service given on the side here. I think this is what this is all about. The Alexa voice service.
Okay, what else?
The Bluetooth functionality. You can actually use this device as a Bluetooth speaker. Okay, and then you have the Wi-Fi connectivity, which actually connects to the Alexa voice service, of course. Well, that is installed. And last but not the least, the audio line out. Let's unbox this thing.
Get me out.
Here's a small thing here. There's a small sticker, I think. And I just gotta... Wow, that was nice. We have the nice Echo Dot here.
Great finishing overall with nice ABS plastic. And now here is our front panel with all of the buttons that we need for easy access. The volume down button there and the volume up button, and also the other buttons on either sides, which are the mic on off button if you want Alexa to hear you or not. And then last but not the least, the action button. Okay, the action button is used when you don't want to call Alexa, so you can just press that action button and just talk.
We have the quick guide actually. This is like the quick guide. It says Echo Dot. Getting to know Echo Dot, plug in Echo Dot, download the Alexa app, and connect to your speaker. So, and then you have the Amazon Echo Dot things to try: music, news and radio, reminders and timers, and then shop at Amazon. Wow, you can even shop at Amazon. Alexa, order laundry detergent. And then some questions and answers that you can ask Alexa. Well, let's check it out anyway. Right. Some terms and conditions. Blah, blah, blah. Then we have this pretty lengthy cable, man. Whoa. About 1.25 of a meter. That's good. It's a pretty lengthy cable. Nice looking adapter. Wow. Look at that. It's a 9-watt adapter, and it also says 50 to 60 hertz, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5.2 volts at 1.8 ampere hour. And this device does not have any batteries inside, okay? So which means that
This device has to be plugged into the mains at all times. Looking at the ports of the device, we have the USB-D type port. This is a usual one. I expected it to be the C-type, however, okay, this being the second generation, the third generation also does not have the C-type port. It still sports the D-type older version of the port. Okay, and then you have the audio out or the line out to connect to your external speakers.
That's only if you want to listen to the Alexa from an external speaker, which is a bigger one and which is more louder, of course.
And if you're interested in how the insides of the Alexa look, I'll be posting another video for that, and also on the functionalities, there's another video coming up. Right. Well, thank you again, guys, for visiting the Electronic Pick today. Once again, I thank for all the subscriptions, and I wish to see you again in our next videos. Have a great time, and bye for now.